Hey guys, well, this guy got done when I was outside in the garage and overnight. This thing took, 14 hours? It's a good size. It's about, probably 5.5 inches tall and about almost 5 inches wide. Super, super heavy. I used like 30% infill, and I think I used a little too much infill on it. But now I got to carefully take all these supports off. Carefully. Um, I'm kind of curious what everybody uses for their settings on their supports, because it's like every time I try to take my supports off, I got to really work hard at it to just loosen them up. So if there's anybody out there that could give me a little info on why my supports are so hard to take off in these other videos that I just seen, that they just grab hold of their support and it just pops right off. This, I had to take a small screwdriver and literally fucking pry it off of there. So any little info would help out a lot. Alrighty, have a good one. Well, guys, it's all done, all cleaned up. Looks pretty good. Got the whole family here now. Got the whole family. Father, mother, and the kids. Alrighty, you guys have a good one.